In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your organization in Make.com. Let's walk through this together from start to finish so you know exactly what to click and why each step matters. First, open your browser and log into your Make.com account. Once you're signed in, head over to your organization dashboard. This is your central control panel where you manage everything related to your organization, including users, billing, and scenarios. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you belong to more than one. On the organization dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Users. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your organization. Go ahead and click on Users. You should now see a list of existing users along with their roles and statuses. To add someone new, find and click the Invite User button. This will open a form where you can enter the details of the person you want to add. Think of this as creating an invitation that will be sent to their email so they can join your organization. In the first field, type in their email address. Make sure you use the email they actively check, ideally their work email if this is for a professional workspace. It's a good idea to double check for typos here, because if the email address is incorrect, they won't receive the invitation. Next, type in their name. This will help you and other admins easily recognize who this user is in the list later. You can usually enter their full name so it's clear and professional. Now, click on the role dropdown to choose what level of access they should have. Depending on your setup, you might see options like admin, member, accountant, app developer, or guest. Take a moment to think about what they actually need to do in Make.com. For example, an admin will have broad permissions and can manage settings and users, while a guest or limited role is better for someone who only needs to view or work in specific areas. Assigning the right role is important for both security and organization. There is also a field for a note. This is optional, but it can be helpful. You might add a short message about why they're being invited or what they'll be working on. This note can provide context for other admins or for future reference. Once everything looks correct, the email, name, role, and optional note, go ahead and click Save. This will send the invitation to the email address you entered. The user will need to follow the instructions in that email to accept the invite and join your organization. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent an invite to add a new user to your organization in Make.com.